Okay, it is the big reveal for the finished floors. Oh my gosh, we did a natural finish here, but these are our accent floors where we brought in herringbone, and I've changed the direction in the floor plan of the, we have just the plain floor that goes underneath all the built-ins here on that wall, and going in really through the B side. The other side is really how we enter the apartment, and this is really going to be the owner's office, and he broadcasts from here with the big built-ins on the wall. And here's our wet bar area that'll have wainscoting. We can finally close up this powder bath. We're waiting for the window there, which we get at the end of July. And again, the wet bar with this going to be great mirror behind it, and shelving. If my memory serves me correctly, we'll have the, that French wallpaper Duvernay on the wall. But fun to see this. I'm going to just pan over to the other side so we can talk as if we're walking through. So when we walk through this apartment, what happens is we come in through this. This is the A side. I got to find the keys today. I put them somewhere. And we come in and can see across the span of the two apartments, which is the living room on the right side and the family room open kitchen on the left, master suite to the left, with this gorgeous floor. And the family room floor is already done in there. But love the steps. My guys are just, I'm telling you, they are phenomenal. And we can see as we go down, this is the old and this is the new. It's really a great blend. We were really panicked about whether it would work or not. And thank God it did. And we didn't have to stain it. And it's the character of this story of old versus new that we wanted to preserve for the owner. So exciting. Some tweaks. Obviously in this room, as we go back to the other, we see where the floors differ, but that's the character of it. My flush toe kicks. Toe kicks. Too early in the morning, I need more coffee. These are my flush saddles, and we actually finished the closets so that we have a finished wood floor everywhere. I'm just so excited because this just really looks spectacular. Got all our air conditioners in, and I can honestly say, what a difference a couple days makes. Ciao for now.